to the Smokies for 7 days, so that should be fun. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I'm packing, yeah, so right here we have some wipes. I don't know about you, but in my household we use wipes for everything: face, hands, you know, bottoms, all that. We just have pull-ups for the nighttime, and then the disposable wiper pail, because ours is right here, just so that way it doesn't stink up the room. And then I am going to be packing his backpack, so when we go hiking. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of pajamas here that I'll be packing for him. And then over here we just have, we're gonna do these. I thought this was so cute, and I found it at Walmart, guys, so don't sleep on Walmart. But so cute for the boys, so all the boys will be matching. Super excited for that, for pictures. Bringing 1 pair of jeans per boy, also a sweat outfit. And then, so how I pack and how I find that it's easiest is I just do outfits. Patrol one, a Superman outfit. This one is super cute, spoiled by my daddy's money. And then it has a Gatlinburg, Tennessee on there. And then Isaac does like dinosaurs, so we are going to be packing him a couple of the dinosaur outfits. We have his favorite Hulk, so we will be packing his Hulk outfit. And then our family is really big in Star Wars, so I thought this one was super cute, Jedi in Training. And even if, you know, we want to throw it on after the pool. And then last one, you know, they're boys, so they love anything monster trucks. Do the shoes, so we are bringing these like little cute shoes. We are bringing the Vans. His water shoes, we're gonna bring those. They actually have a water park where we're staying, so that's gonna be super fun. They're gonna love that. And then we have just some regular sandals. And then I do need to clean these, but his Nikes as well. And then I will also, those are yours, yeah. And then I will also pack some like athletic shoes, so when we go hiking. So yeah, let's get on to my 6-year-old. All right, guys, so we are on to my 6-year-old, and we are going to be packing him this backpack. So when we go hiking, he will have like something to carry his water. And then in here, I just have all of their undergarments, and then their extra like swim. We have tons of swim outfits, so those are in there as well, so I know where to find them, because most of the time we probably will be at the, you know, resort pool. The before is these super cute woodland. Ivan loves Spider-Man, so we got him this Spider-Man outfit. Same thing, I packed around 7 or 8 outfits. This one, and what I do is I make outfits, so it is easy peasy for mama. I just grab an outfit or have them grab one, and we're good to go. I thought this was really cute, you know, for Father's Day. And then this little outfit here, and then we have this one. It says Holla Lady, so funny. Just like a comfy one. And then this screams my son for sure. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a boy. You definitely know, you're probably on the same page as I am. And last but not least, I think this is Sonic. Yeah, more Sonic. He loves Sonic and Spider-Man and Batman. And then in here are the hats that we're going to be bringing. He is actually wearing a hat right now. We're going to bring this epic one, Gander Mountain, because, you know, we're going to be going in the mountains. Bass Pro Shop. We love fishing. We're a fishing family. The boys love to fish. And then Batman. So we will be bringing those hats. And the nice thing is my boys, they're snapbacks, so they can definitely share. And then this is, I'm not sure what his name is, but he's from the Young Jedi ones. It lights up. They wanted to bring him for the hotel room. And then in this, which I will show you, sorry guys about that. I'm gonna move this stuff over. Oh, I did bag for, we will be stopping like halfway for a hotel, just for, you know, the sake of my sanity. So we'll be stopping around like 6 or 7 hours from us, and so I just wanted to pack something so we didn't have to just pack 2 of these, because we will be there at night. Obviously they have a pool, so I just packed a pool, a change of pajamas, and then a change of clothes on this side for the boys for in the morning. And then I did pack them, you know, 2 or 3 like little also do like a toy bag if we ever go anywhere, just so that way, you know, they're entertained. So, you know, got the fake. This is my son's, my 6-year-old. So he has some Legos and there's Pokemon cards in there. And then in here we have like a little football, and then just a bunch of like action figures. So we have Spin, Spider-Man, Hulk, and some dinosaurs.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the heck, you have a clue, what could that be? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack nations, and if you ain't get out of my way, then got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate
anybody else like us. And yeah, just makes it easier for us.
Hey, in case no one's told you lately, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for pushing through everything that you're going through. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for, and you are capable of doing anything in this world. I believe in you.